Look in the middle. I saw you on TV the other day. Oh, did you? Right here, please. Now, can you take a step back? There you go. Get it right here, please. And Gavin, real quick over here. And Gavin, one more just here. Gavin, can I get your eyes for a second here? Gavin. Alright, just one more right here.
A movie that I saw the trailer of some time ago from a friend of mine, Steve Bellamy, who wrote, produced, directed this film. Quality of the trailer. And what brings this film here, that I don't know. But it's a film about people who live on the edge. Mountain people. Crazy people. But crazy but measured. And the dynamic that really strikes at the heart of everyone is that at the center of this film is an incredible love story. And like many love stories, it turned to tragedy because we lost Sarah Burke. This may not mean much to you now because you have not seen the film. But this gives a gravitas to the film that you Bel Air Film Festival goers can never imagine. So this is an incredible film. I'm thrilled to be a part of it. It's called The Sound of Winter, and it really is a tale of people who live on the edge, mountain people, great people, who live these very high adrenalized lives. And as a musician, I relate to them, and as a musician, I respect them. And you guys are not ready for how good this film is. Ladies and gentlemen, this is The Sound of Winter. Work. They play. They worship. It is here they shadow the limits of imagination, the human spirit, and human capability. This is where a symphony of anticipation, excitement, and fear collide. This is The Sound of Winter. Instead of distance, it had like a 15-foot by 15-foot hole, but I had to put everything down before. Why not, right? This student should come with a parachute, constantly wondering if I'm about to watch somebody die, or if it's going to be one of the coolest days in my life. A lot of people laugh at me when they say that I do about the math and writing. Seems dead. As I started my career as a professional mogul.
Give us a wave.